Hello, 4th and 5th grade parents. I want to share with you something we talked about at the parent math workshop in October. We talked about number strategies and ultimately how we continue to develop them in 4th and 5th grade. So students, yes, it's nice they can do the algorithm, but it's also making sure they understand how numbers work. So let's look at 354 lose 278. Keeping a constant difference is just that. If you keep a constant difference, so we can work with friendlier numbers. You find that 376 lose 300 is an answer of 76. It's just because we added 22 to 278 to make it 300. Now, adding up in chunks is just that. Start at 278, go to 354. So maybe somebody might say, well, I know how to get to 280, I add 2. I know how to get to 300, add 20. I know how to get from 200 to 354, add 54. So now if I add all that up, again I get my 76. Or we have place value negative numbers. 300 plus 50 plus 4. 200 plus 70 plus 8. So, what's 300 minus 200? 100. What's 50? Lose 70. A debt of 20. What's 4 minus 8? A debt of 4. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 lose 4 is 76. So again, all those are strategies because there's multiple different ways to do them. Or, yes, we can go back to the algorithm. Just the algorithm's a rule, like you're following a specific rule, and if you forget the rule, you're not going to remember how to subtract. So the algorithm, the rule is saying, well, if I can't take 4 we've made, I'm going to regroup, I'm going to borrow 110, so 14 minus 8 is 6. Can't take 70 from 40, I'm going to regroup, I'm going to borrow 110 of the, by one of the 10s with 100, because there's 10 10s and 100. So I'm still going to be left with 76. So again, just something to think about when we think about number sense and how numbers work. Hopefully that gives you a little structure. And if you have any questions, please reach out.